In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a CapCut Team subscription in just a few simple steps. Whether you're working with a team of video editors, managing content for clients, or you simply want to unlock CapCut's powerful collaboration features, this easy step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, so you can get started with confidence. First, open your CapCut app on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, head over to the main homepage. From there, look for the option labeled Me, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen or in the side menu depending on your device. Tap or click on it carefully so you don't miss any important account options. Next, click on the option that says Join Standard. This will open up the membership and subscription section where CapCut displays different plans. Here, you'll see several options designed to help you unlock additional features and manage access more efficiently. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Everything is laid out clearly, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct CapCut account, confirm your region is set correctly, and have a valid payment method ready before continuing. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary interruptions during checkout. Once you're inside the membership section, click on Teams to view CapCut's team subscription plans. Browse through the available options and choose the plan that best fits your team size and workflow needs. After selecting your plan, review the pricing and features. Then click on Purchase and enter your payment details carefully. After that, you should be able to activate your CapCut Team subscription and start collaborating without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check your subscription status in your account settings to make sure everything went through successfully. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to buy a CapCut Team subscription easily and efficiently and unlock powerful tools for teamwork and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same question. Why not make someone's editing workflow easier?